In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Excel constantly freezing and crashing in 2026. Start by opening Excel from the Start menu or from the taskbar, whichever is easiest on your computer. Once Excel is open, look at the ribbon across the top of the window and click File in the top left corner. This opens the Backstage menu. On the left side, move down to the bottom of the sidebar and click Options. The Excel Options dialog should now appear on screen. In the Excel Options dialog, click Advanced in the left sidebar. This section contains a long list of settings, so scroll down carefully until you reach the area with the setting labeled Enable Multi-Thread Processing. When you find it, click the checkbox so it is turned on. After that, move to the bottom right corner of the dialog and click OK. Now close Excel completely, then reopen it so the setting can take effect. Excel needs that restart before the change is fully applied. If Excel is still freezing or crashing, the next fix is to disable COM add-ins. With Excel open again, click File in the top left corner of the ribbon. In the left sidebar, click Options at the bottom again. When the Excel Options dialog opens, click Add-ins in the left sidebar. Now look near the bottom of this dialog for the Manage dropdown. Click the dropdown and select COM add-ins. Once COM add-ins is selected, click the Go button to the right of the dropdown. This opens the COM add-ins dialog, where Excel shows the add-ins that can load when the program starts. Inside the COM add-ins dialog, go through the list and uncheck every item that appears there. Make sure each checkbox in that list is cleared. When everything is unchecked, click OK to apply the change. Close Excel completely, not just the current workbook. Then reopen Excel and use it normally long enough to test whether the freezing or crashing is stopped. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. If Excel is now stable, go back to the same COMS add-ins dialog and re-enable the add-ins one at a time. After turning one add-in back on, restart Excel and test again. Continue doing that until the crash returns. The add-in that was enabled right before the crash came back is the one causing the problem.